Kaspa, new all-time high achieved. All-time high after all-time high. We are right there at 7 cent on the Mexi chart. This is the Mexi chart from TradingView. And 7 cent is more than likely is going to happen in this video that I'm recording or as soon as I'm finished recording. All-time high after all-time high for Kaspa. This is insane. And Yonatan, founder of Kas, is a genius, man. And I'm telling you guys, he's creating something mind-blowing. And shout out to all of the community devs as well that is helping to develop Kas. Caspians, we got some nice information in this video as always. If you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Let's spread the word of Kas all over the space, even outside of the space. And also become a Patreon to access to my private Telegram group. Already made some plays that got the Telegram members in profit, right? Which is awesome. And they can do whatever they want with that profit, man. They could invest more into Kas, right? Or just, hold the project for more gains, right? Me, every short-term trade I make, I'm buying more Kas, right? So yeah, links to all of that is in the description. Right here, from Shurek, Kaspa is beautiful. This is a quote retweet from the Crypto Z. Dear Kaspa community, 2 days ago we posted a visualization comparing Bitcoin's 1 block per 10 minutes to Kaspa's 10 blocks per second. You all did a fantastic job sharing this. We triggered few and caught the attention of many. Today I give you the future possibilities. Below is a snippet of a 10-minute simulation. It takes the orange block, which is Bitcoin, 10 minutes to pass from left to right. In that time, we see the following Kaspa blocks. So, look at this. With 10 BPS, that's 6,000 blocks for Kas. 32 BPS, that's 9,200 blocks. And 100 BPS, it's 60,000 blocks. Let's make some noise, Kaspa currency and the community. Let me make sure this audio is muted. And let's take a look. So right here you have Bitcoin at the top. Oh, let me make sure you guys can see that. Hold on, my apologies. There we go. You have Bitcoin at the top with 1 block per 10 minutes. Kaspa 10 blocks per second. 32 blocks per second and 100 blocks per second. Showing the speed of Kas. And again, we have to remember Kas is a proof of work project. I remember seeing a content creator with like 80,000 followers on his way to 100K saying he felt kind of slighted about Ethereum because it moved to proof of stake, right? Kaspa has remained proof of work. It has remained proof of work, and it's on its base layer is extremely fast, and it's only getting faster. It's decentralized. There's no centralized entity that could control anything. It's open source, and because of the technology that is being built with Dagnite, it is scalable and it is secure because of the miners, right? Let's take a look at this video right here. Look at that. What? Yo, look at this. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Look at the Bitcoin block. Yo, man, the king of crypto, eh? Look at the king of crypto. Look at Kas, man. The prince. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is like the king. 60 years old. Looking for his next, looking for the next person to take the throne. That's what we're seeing here, right? We're seeing the next person coming to take the throne. Not necessarily take the throne, but be under, be in control of the kingdom, right? He's still gonna be king, but you gotta pick a prince, right? Kaspa right now looking like that prince. Look at 100 BPS. Look at how fast that is. Jeez, man, that's crazy. And Bitcoin still, it still ain't moved. It ain't. Oh my gosh, that is insane to see, Caspians. That is what I'm talking about, man. Technology keeps growing. Don't get left behind, man. The people that invest in technology early, or the new technologies early are the ones that are billionaires and millionaires, billionaires now, right? People that, for example, I'm a content creator with YouTube, right? The people that started YouTube when it first got released and started to make content, look at how successful they are. You know, the PewDiePies of the world, right? Because they started as soon as, you know, the technology got released. People that did TikTok early, look at how successful they are. People that invest in new technologies early, you know, they become the Warren Buffetts, you know, the Elon Musk of the world, the Bill Gates, even though I don't like Bill Gates of the world, right? Captain says, video below is the difference between block rate between Bitcoin and Kaspa 10 blocks per second versus Bitcoin 1 block per 10 minutes. In each block, can have 2 to 400 transactions. Furthermore, Bitcoin has 1 hour time to finality versus just tens on Kaspa. So Kaspa is a generalized Nakamoto consensus proof of work coin that can confirm instantly, settle near instantly, and have thousands of transactions per second, all while sticking to the core security and decentralization levels of Bitcoin with the same hash rate. Even more so thanks to the rapid block rate making solo mining much more viable. That's before even considering Kaspa Dagnite protocol, which reduces the time finality significantly. What's more, Dagnite can auto adjust to attacks of different sizes. Interesting. You remember we just you know, Shy saw him put out a message that we cover where there was a Kaspa dust attack. Instantly that got, you know, fixed. You know, like it's like super fast. It is only the proof of work coin that can scale down confirmation times. It is the only caps lock here, only proof of work coin that can scale down confirmation times. This is the ultimate proof of work project and the true P2P digital cash system that Satoshi wanted to create. And yes, it was designed with smart contracts in mind to top it all off. Look at this, right? And this is 10 BPS versus 1 block per 10 minutes with Bitcoin, and we just saw what 100 BPS is gonna look like. My gosh, and it's already so fast at that as well too, Caspians. This is absolutely crazy, man. Siam Kid, just a nice thought of the day. This is a map of all the countries that can buy Cas. Imagine what will happen if it lists Coinbase and Americans and others are allowed to buy it. Bear in mind that the vast majority of retail crypto dabblers have no idea how to ping crypto wallet to wallet. They just ape in and stay in centralized exchanges when people keep telling them, hey, get your crypto off exchanges. And there's so much of a barrier for people to, like, for example, getting Kaspa like early. There was a big barrier for people in the US because you had to get it on exchanges that more than likely are restricted in the US, right? But if you're serious about being successful, you're gonna go through the hoops and hurdles for that success, right? But again, what's gonna happen for Cas and what's gonna make it explode to the $1 to $5 levels is gonna be a bunch of normies, normies in the bull cycle. More and obvious as well, I think, is institutional investors as well, because of the technology and they see where it could go. But there's going to be a lot of normies when it gets listed on the Coinbases and the Binances, crypto.com. I don't think it's there yet. They're going to be FOMOing into Cas when they finally could buy it in a more easy and convenient way, right? So this is why I'm on chain. I'm all over the crypto space. Like I'm on chain, right? This is also the reason why you don't see your favorite crypto influencer promote Cas or talk about Cas, because the most are US based. They only shill what pays them. Interesting. And Kaspa has no influencer marketing budget. It doesn't, but look at how far it's come. So with these little factoids and price action doing what it's doing without America, it's even more bullish in my opinion. I recently had someone in my live streams as well. You know, last time I did a live stream saying, yo, this is so hard to buy. And I made a tweet on my main Twitter account, X account, saying the harder the project is to buy, the earlier you are and you're more likely gonna make money. Right? And it's so on point, right? The harder something is to buy in this space, the more likely you're gonna make money on it. Because if it's already easy to buy for the people that aren't versed in crypto, it's probably already too late. So I would, like I said, even without the funding and the marketing budget and all that stuff, even though Kaspa is community funded, you can't ignore it. Just like with Shiba Inu, I know I don't like to compare Kaspa or meme, but look at what happened with Shiba Inu. Just a massive community just constantly making noise. CZ, Binance, Brian Armstrong, Robinhood, list this, list it. And guess what happened? It got listed. You know, even with Pepe recently, how it got listed on Binance. List it got listed, right? So it's just a matter of patience is what I think is all it takes. And by the time it gets listed, Kaspa is listed there. By the time Kaspa is listed there, going into the bull market, it's at $1 to $3. Hey, we taking profit. We taking some profit. Guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. This chart looks amazing. It's bringing tears to my eyes, man. Oh my gosh. You know how much L's I take in crypto? When I finally take W's in crypto, I feel so happy. You know, it's nothing like it, man. It feels surreal, to be honest. So yeah, guys, again, thank y'all so much for watching. Patreon link is in the description. You get access to the private Telegram group. A couple of my patrons, a few of the patrons on there already in profits because they're paying attention and in projects. And guess what? They can move those profits and flip them, put it into another project, get more profits, and just keep accumulating. Then go right back where? In the Kaspa, right? So yeah, link to that is in the description. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all in the next one.